Hey everybody, today we are going to be looking at the ropes course on the Carnival Radiance cruise ship. Let's talk about what you can expect, what you need to wear, and some of the rules. There is a height requirement on this ropes course, which is 48 inches, and a weight limit of 300 pounds. There is also a dress code for the ropes course, so no open-toed shoes, no backless shoes, no skirts, and no swimwear. All of this information can be found on Carnival's website, and I would suggest before going on your cruise to check there for any updated information. Also, if you are afraid of heights, this may not be a good attraction for you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and enjoy this POV walkthrough of the ropes course on the Carnival Radiance.